Came into Smoky Mountain Knife Works. SE knives. Got some awesome knives. Taking a break from the old camper work. Came out here to Smoky Mountain Knife Works. They have a big old event going on over on the other side of the store. Case knives. Thankfully the one I want, they're out of stock. Save me from spending money today. This is a good place to take a break off of the camper work. I'll get back over there working on it here soon. Maybe I'll get in there and clean out that change. Gotta love the Zippos. Zippos have come a long way. They even got a monkey here. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's tickling his feet. Alright, so Smoky Mountain Knife Works picked a day they have some special event going on. They got a monkey up there. So you gotta pay $15 to get a photo. They stopped me from recording. I guess they don't want you recording for free. I did score something. Shame on me. I can't go to these places. But I gotta get back to work on the camper. This places like this puts my wallet on a diet, if you know what I mean. All right, let me get over here to the truck. Man, booty is dirty. That's embarrassing. I got some work to do on this. All right, just left the Smoky Mountain Knife Works. There you go, back there. Got kind of busy in there. I just came to look around. Should know better. Man, I found this cool flashlight stun gun. I almost bought it. It was 27 bucks. I'm thinking, man, how cool would that be? So I looked around. I thought, well, I can't do that. So what I do, I got one for $19, baby. Sabre. Make it safe. Stun gun flashlight. Maximum stopping power. Pain rating 1.82 something. I don't have my glasses on. Something, see. They say a 1.0 causes intolerable pain. So this is a 1.8. I don't know. We'll see. It's a rechargeable type thing. Do I really need a stun gun? I don't know until I need it, right? After my Instagram post kind of slamming a rock band I don't like, I might need this stun gun. Anyway, I gotta get back to the camper. I gotta find something or someone to stun with this thing. Say, hey, what are you looking at? Don't invest in good tires, just buy multiple spares. That's how you do it, right? I'm walking out of the store with my awesome new shoes that my son and my wife got me for Father's Day. They got these off of Facebook. There was an ad. I'm sure you've seen it. So I'm in the store looking at everybody's feet. I don't see these shoes. I'm in the knife store looking at everybody's feet. You know they got the same shoes on. I'm one of a kind. I guess nobody really looks on Facebook anymore, right? Okay, I got home, took it out the box. Ooh, doggy. I'm glad I didn't have that close to me. I didn't know it was already charged. I thought it was a light. Man, that thing, I don't know. Ooh, here we go. Ah, there's a light. It's pretty bright. So what is this setting? It's got one click there. Oh, okay. I guess I should read the instructions, huh? That is like a safety. Alrighty then, let me read up on it. All right, back from the knife store and the grocery store. Got that cool stun gun. Got some plastic wood to work in here. I guess I can spend a few minutes in here now. Got all that stuff behind me. Let's get started. I noticed a couple videos ago the video just stopped at the end. I was in the middle of talking and it cut me off. I don't know why I'd uploaded like that. I didn't fix it. It is what it is. But I'm back in the camper today. I'm going to finish putting the plastic wood in some of these seams. I'll show you how that looks. Just making sure my face track isn't on. I got a couple little more pieces of wood to cut out, but I'm really getting excited with the progress. Finally feel like we're getting somewhere with this thing and that it might actually come together. So I'm going to put this plastic wood in these seams, and I might get on the slide adjustment because the slide is way too tight in that corner. So I can't find any help on how to bring the inside corners up. There's nothing on that. So I'm just going to unloosen the whole dad blame thing, just start twisting and turning and seeing what happens. Worst thing, it could be way out of whack and never go back in right. That's the worst thing. All right, time for some plastic wood, baby. That's right. I ran out the other day. We're going to fill in the rest of these seams, minus the big old plank we still got to put in. It's about a 4-foot section we still have to put in. Oh man, I keep putting off adjusting that slab. I'm going to have to do it eventually. How about that monkey? So they had that monkey going to crank that box. I started filming, they shut me down because it's $15 for a picture with the face ripping off monkey. I thought that was kind of ridiculous. We bitch about child labor. What about monkey labor? That poor little monkey sitting there cranking that arm, sweating. It's 175 degrees out today. That poor little monkey's got hair all over him, working. They were massaging his hand. That's all the video I got. There, they loosening him up so he can earn them some money. That's monkey labor. All right, let me sit down here, get my glasses off, like we're gonna have a serious office talk. No, I need some bourbon. That's what I need. All right, so I got my plastic wood in. Let me turn you around here and give you a look at it. There you go. That's what it looks like right there. Can you see it? There it is. Pow! It's just like Bondo, automotive Bondo. But I've had a couple seams I need to fill because the carpenter I hired, cuts are pretty bad. Doesn't have good angles or straight cuts, so I got to fill it in to make him look like he knew what he was doing. But I'm going to show it all to you. I'm not going to make you think it's all perfect all the time. I've made a lot of mistakes with this project, but that's okay. That's why I'm doing it, because the next one is going to be a lot less mistakes, especially in the bathroom area. I learned a lot back there. Now, I ain't done back there yet, but I got to adjust the slide. That's next, and I ain't going to do that today. I don't feel like it. That's why. I'm my own boss on this project. I am unsupervised. I can do it or not. I'm choosing probably not to. While I was out there at the Knife Works, the Smoky Mountain Knife Works, I went out there first because it's only 80 degrees and I wanted to warm up some so I wouldn't freeze while I was out here. But it got up now, it's about 147 degrees. So I decided that's a good time to put on my black shirt and come out and work. In the camper it's about 20 degrees more, so it's about 190 degrees in here in this camper, like a little oven. Sadly, but I love it. Let's see, no, 47, 167. No, it's 190 degrees in there. Either way you do the math, that's what it is in here. So anyway, we're motoring on with this project. I've got quite a bit more to do. I always think of something else I want to do. I got a want to do list and a need to do list. So once I get the front cap done, the floor done, all that water damage repaired, I think I'm going to enclose just the tanks because we're going to be in this camper for a few months and it's going to get cold eventually. I hate to think about it, but I think I'm going to get some corrugated board and insulation and just insulate around the tanks. Take the furnace, cut a hole in the floor run an old tube down through there and blow some heat in it. Sounds easy. This whole thing sounded easy. It hadn't been that hard. It's been some difficult moments, but not really hard. Nothing I had thought, well, oh Lord, excuse me, that was rude as hell. But nothing that I thought this project was over or too far gone. And it smells great in here now. Just smells like lumber. You know, last time you come in, you could smell the mold. It was awful. We dug all that out. It's all gone. And there's a few things I want to do, little extras to it, just to make it nice for us. Will I get my money out of it? Yes. Did I buy it right? Yes. So what we got into it, we can make our money back. Of course, absolutely. We won't make a whole lot, but, you know, we tap it lightly and let her go and get our money and a little bit of profit. If I was to add up the labor hours, nah, it's too far gone for me to recoup all that, but I'm not counting my labor. This is just a materials project. If I can get my material cost out of it, yeah, that's a win for me. Then I can get another one, fix it. You know, I'm thinking about going on those auction sites where they have wrecked campers and stuff, damaged campers. You can get them if you score one cheap enough. There's other people bidding on them, but if you can score one cheap enough, go get it, bring it back, and repair it. Maybe I'll just build one from scratch. Yeah. All right. Well, oh, still got the big old pile of used groceries in the toilet, the tank there. It's right on up there. It'll peek at you if you get close enough. Yep, it will. Nobody's stepped up. Had the gonads to say our product will take it out of there. I wish they would. Send a representative out here to even look at it. I think I'm about to take a picture of it, though. I hate to do that. I hate to make my camera look at it. But I got to have proof, because ain't nobody going to believe me when I say, oh, I use product X and it's gone. It's squeaky clean. And ain't nobody going to believe that. If I show you a picture of the pile of used groceries, treat it like it's supposed to be treated, then pull the commode off and show it to you, that'd be the proof. Proof is in the pudding, no pun intended. But I am going to put the old commode back on just temporarily because we are going to be removing it. I'm not going to vinyl the floor in there until the tank's all done. I'm going to vinyl all the way back to the bathroom and leave the bathroom floor raw wood and put the old toilet back on just for that purpose. But anyway, call me.